Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 back to factory settings. Swipe up on the home screen and go over to the settings right here. From here, you're going to swipe up and go to accounts and backup, and then tap on manage accounts. And basically, you'll need to delete all your Google accounts. Any account that has this little G next to it, you'll need to select it and delete it. Now, I have a ton of Google accounts, as you can see on there. I do have some blurred out just for the sake of privacy, but all you're going to do is select the account and then hit remove account. And you're going to repeat that step until you've deleted all the Google accounts. It's so important to delete all the Google accounts because if you don't, if you try to return the phone or sell the phone, it's still going to be locked to your Google information. So you have to remove all the Google accounts that are on the phone. Now, once you do that, you're going to tap on reset. We just went one page back. We're going to tap on reset, swipe up, and tap on factory data reset. Okay? Now, what you'll need to do, you're going to swipe up, you're going to tap on reset, and after you do that, it's going to ask you to remove your Samsung account. That's the very last step. So you'll need to put in your Samsung account password. And if you don't know the Samsung account password, all you'll need to do, in fact, let me show you. Let's hit reset. You will have to put in your code one more time. Then you're going to hit delete all. And this is the last page where it's going to ask you, hey, you need to remove your Google account. If you know the password, great. You're going to type it in on screen. If you don't know the password, you can either tap forgot password or tap verify with one-time email. This is usually the easiest way to access your account. On your computer or on your tablet, just log into your Gmail and look for the verification email. Once you get that email and you select it, it'll take you to the last screen where you'll hit reset, and then it will start the whole process of erasing all the data off the phone, and then it will set up like a brand new phone. And it shouldn't take any more than 5 minutes. It's usually pretty quick. So that is the process in a nutshell to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.